Hello, my friends. Good evening. Um, we're doing this live stream at an odd hour, at an odd hour, but that's fine. I just wanted to work on it this morning. I didn't really get time to work on it, so I just thought let's use this opportunity to wrap things up until I am awake. So let's do it. If you are seeing this for the first time, I'm working on. mm, Building a SaaS product where you can where the end user can create their professional photo shoot. And I am almost done with the product. I'm almost done with the product. It's just that um, bits and pieces are left to build. But before I continue building the product, I quickly started working on the marketing landing page, um, so that I can just really um, mm, get both things done, not just the product, but the landing page is ready to in parallel. While we finalize mm, the core product, we can start to market our core website, the main website, and not just the um, and not just the um, main web app. Perfect. I'm doing this in public in front of all of you so that you can learn from me. I can provide some value. mm, from this, and most of the things I'll be vibe coding, so it's pretty interesting how it ends up being the final product. And let's get started. I'll show you where were we? Okay, so yeah, I think last we built this. Um, okay, yeah, so just showing the difference between chaos, course, and commitment. So I'll just quickly show you the whole web page so that it's so that you know what we are up to. Um, yeah, this is the home page. Um, difference, then a toggle, and yeah, basic everything you need for professional photos. Professional photos will improve this for sure. Your LinkedIn profile with or without Get AI photo. Mm, perfect for every professional need, whatever use case you want. We'll be working on so many use cases. We'll make the homepage very rich. I have been following few websites, um, and we'll be following their strategy. One such is Data Fast. Um, I'll just okay, perfect. Yeah, so you can see it's very much rich in terms of like there are a lot of like reviews and reviews, features, again a review feature. So we'll make it very rich, surprising, yeah, of course. But there are a lot of FAQs and a huge footer, so we'll make it very rich. Okay, and I don't like minimalist things, but let's try it out. There is this um, Headshot Pro. It's similar websites, they provide headshots. We are going to provide the um, not just the headshots, but the professional photo. Um, so you can see here as well. I mean, uh, it's very rich. I don't like such websites, but it seems like these websites are working. So just wanted to try this out. It's very rich, a lot of reviews, a lot of content and stuff, a lot of FAQ. Generally, I always liked so in my one of my products, I always like to have like very few FAQs. Yeah, very few FAQs, not a lot of FAQs, um, but yeah, let's just try it out. Let's have a lot of FAQs. Um, Let's see. Let's see. Okay, perfect. And our task for the day is to make it rich. I want to, like, after every comparison, I want to, like, I think after every section, I want to have uh, uh, testimonial reviews after every section. Yeah, I'll do that after every section. Okay. Mm, we'll improve this later. I want this to be on auto toggle after every 2 seconds. I'll be working on improving this. I don't want the solution to look like this. I want um, the mm, I want the animation to be shown here of the website of the core product. I'll show it here. But for now, I'll just keep it as is. Everything you need for professional photos. Okay. Okay, let's add this video. I was willing to add this video. Here it is. Yeah, so I'm willing to add this video. Let's see if Lovable is able to do it. Mm, I'll add it after this section. Add the attached video uh, after and before section. Add the attached video after the problem was this the solution comparison section. The side, oops, attached screenshot for reference. Add the attached video after the problem versus the solution section and before any. Suggest the best way to showcase the video. Let's see what it will suggest, and then I was thinking that it should be on autoplay or something. I think he was doing something data fast. Let's see. He was showing the video. Uh, yeah, one way is this. Yeah, okay. And the another way is
Three new updates and two features to beta test.
yeah.
Let's go. The first one.
Um, there was one more way. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. I think this is good. Where the video is playing, but when user clicks,
Hey,
it
it's Mark. In the past 3 years, I
realizes
built
the
those 24
video.
tiny websites, and people always ask me, what are the best?
Yeah, I think this is smart. I think the preview is some sort of GIF, and video plays something different. Hmm. This is a GIF. Nope. Let's see how this is set up. Uh, mm, Okay, let's see what it is able to figure out. Meanwhile, let's see. Hero video with browser frame recommended. A centered video embedding stylized browser app window frame with autoplay muted and looping for seamless background demonstration. That's good. A subtle glow effect. Oh, what's the video looks like? Yeah, you don't really want the browser frame, but let's try it out. Optional play button overlay for users who want sound. A clean heading like see it action or what the magic, yeah, watch the magic happen. Perfect. Yeah, let's see. Meanwhile, let's figure out more examples. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so he might be using okay Mux. Okay, video for developers. Yeah, so he might be using something out.
There is an easier way to get thumbnails. Quickly grab a still from anywhere in your video with the Mux API. All it takes is some query params.
Yeah, so he's using Mux. Okay, let's search for Mux here. Hmm, okay, let's see. Yeah, so he's showing image here. Okay, he's using Mux to create the video. Mux video. Yeah, this is the GIF in the form of Peppy he's showing as the poster. Okay, yeah, looks good. I can think of implementing in some version. Okay, I want you to remove. Uh, actually, I just refresh. It's such easier this way. Okay, visual edits. I'll get rid. Yes, I don't want all of this. Really want. Okay. And I don't really want all of it. Let's just save it out. Perfect. Huh? What happened? Let's just refresh. Okay, we have the video. Okay. Remove browser and design.
Hey, it's Mark.
Mm, Okay, let's try it out. There changes. Let's see. Perfect. Yeah. Let's see what it does. Let's see the difference. Okay, that's fine. Let it be. There should be something. Yeah, let it be. Let's see if there is any video, any other video we can use. Vignette overlay. What is this? Okay, yeah. Yeah, perfect. That's good. Yeah, that's good. I'll just revert this if required. Let's try this out. Perfect. Now we plan to add a lot of reviews. Let's do that. Let's ask you this. I want to add a lot of. Okay, let's do one thing. Data fast and headshotpro.com. In this website, data fast, code fast. Let's see if he here also he has done the same thing. Analyze all these websites. They have added a lot of content on their homepage. Very rich and a lot of text, photos, videos, etc. Also added testimonials, feedback after almost every section. Is this good in terms of SEO or not? Okay, I'll also let Perplexity to analyze this just easier. Perplexity. What did we touch on this? Nope. Yeah, perfect. Okay, and then I'll also ask few other elements the same thing. Right. Let's ask ChatGPT. Grow and load. I think it's worth it to just close these, like read these and close these, otherwise it will hang. Okay, so Gemini is saying it's good for SEO. Okay, perfect. Let's see what Perplexity has to say. Meanwhile, okay, perfect. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, we are done with the video. Perfect. Let's see. Yeah, looks good. Okay. Yeah, this is It is giving perplexity is giving mixed reaction. I mean, if you do it right, you're good. I think that's the only way to think of it. Perfect, yeah. Yeah, everybody's saying the same thing. Yeah, perfect. Looks good. Okay, let's see what we want to do next. I think next we should be focusing on. Okay, all right. I am planning to add a lot of testimonial data points for today's day. Okay, testimonial plus feedback section to my homepage. I want to add a section after every after almost every section on the website. Not more than two sections at a time. But I want to keep the format of all these different testimonial sections as different so that it do not look so that it does not look mono monotonous to the end user. That's the most ways that show testimony. Okay, let's work on testimony. Yeah. Perfect, yeah. Let's see what it has to say. I'll actually ask the same thing to Grok as well. Sometimes Grok gives me really good answers. Really good. Okay, single feature code index. Okay, this is really good too. I mean, can use this also. Perfect. Mm. No, perfect. Let's see. Okay, we'll go through it later. I want to see this. Devices. Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. Everybody is suggesting similar things, so it's good. Yeah, let's see. Let's go through this really properly. Let me first now I have complete picture. Let me create my plan of and 6 different economic strategy placed throughout your landing page. The landing page currently has these sections in this order. Okay. For testimonial placement strategy. Now recommend displaying 6 unique comments within existing one and adding 5 new ones. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Hero, social proof, problem. Okay, let's see it here. Okay. I'll just pull up from here. I'll open it again and now the flowchart. Okay, perfect. Hero, social proof, okay, problem, yeah, new single feature, Photoshop toggle. This is the toggle. Okay, yes, video demo, and testimonial mark. Okay, features, how it works, new stat focus testimonials here. Okay, then comparison, then existing card grid. Click one, I check here. Okay, new minimal coach this files director. Okay. Okay, let it do what it is doing. And then we can like always rearrange stuff whenever required. Let's see all the type of testimonials here. These are all x.com, but they are real. So we won't have real until we launch it. Okay, if it good. Yeah, yeah, highlighting the main. That's good. We'll do that. Okay, I'll write a story like this. So, sure, in person, let's say long game is activated for the different places. Okay. Yeah, you can copy this. Good. I also want to add a section. Okay, this is done. Let's see. Okay. Okay, we can rearrange always. I think this was already there. This was added recently. Okay, now I need to add CTAs. Okay, I'll just write it down in notes. I want to do it right now because the CTA is not yet planned. Add CTA after every testing section or plan after other sections as well. Okay, perfect. There you go. That's fine. Let's see. Let's see. Add a section showing but we are not all of these compliant. Mm, let's see. I'm using applicant if my website. I don't think so. Up. Okay, I'll just let it implement and I'll just delete it later. Let's do it this way. Marker arrow. It's called marker arrow. Yeah, something like this. Okay. I'll tell you what I'm thinking about. Let's just see where it added this section. Would be down there. Uh, profit. Okay. To this section about. I don't want to break the photo. It looked really good. Yeah, perfect. I'll actually get rid of it right now. Because I know you won't be able to get to the. Okay, need to delete it from the code base. Let's go. Let's go. Perfect. Let's get rid of paper. Perfect. Okay. Mm, Add a section here. Um, okay, I'll just let AI decide. Add a section showcasing content for ugly and different situations. For this, getting converted. Add a section showcase on the left side and an arrow, what it and a curved arrow mark symbol. Showing the final professor photo generated by getting photo. On the right. Let's see. Perfect. It's not headshot. I don't know who's telling them the headshot. Okay, let it do it.
chomps like a real dinosaur with real looking
Perfect. Let's see where it added this. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, we can replace this. Not a problem. The- should show something like the one batch in the second screenshot. It should really be cut. Curry. Okay, let's see. No, let's keep it as text arrow. Let's see. Okay, let it fit directly. Oh, let it be. Perfect. Yeah, let it be. That's right. Fix the arrow head. It's not aligned well. Let's see. Mm, cannot broke it. Uh, I guess we put this for person and I just quickly see if I liked any of the version here. Yeah, this one was good. Wait, let's see. Okay, so I'll just change it by saying that it's not aligned well with the arrow and make it look like it's hand drawn or natural. Okay, yeah, let's see. And then we'll just close out the live stream. We'll just implement this plan. Perfect. Let's see. Nope, broke it again. Need to do something else. Maybe we need to just put an image here just to fix it. That's fine. For now, I'm going to revert all the changes. Perfect. Yeah. Cool. Perfect. So we'll figure this out later. Yeah, looks good. We have made good progress. Let's continue tomorrow. And until then, you have a very good night or good day. Peace.